already started this painting so that you could see some of the awesome details that we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing something called a crayon resist with white crayons. So I have drawn some snow on top of my mountains in my snowy winter landscape, and I've also drawn a few snowflakes. You can't see them because I'm using white crayon on a white piece of paper. So after I finish drawing my entire landscape, yours is going to have so many more details. You might have more mounds of snow with some snowballs. You might have another house in yours, or maybe a bigger house up front. Remember the artwork that we looked at. So your winter landscape is going to have lots more details than mine. So I'm going to then get some cool color paint. Remember, my cool colors are blue, purple, and green. And now I'm going to paint so carefully. What's the first part of the word watercolor? Water. That's right. So I'm being really careful. I have lots of water in my paint. You can see that I don't have just globs of paint. Watch what happens if I just get so much paint on there. Just looks icky. So lots of water. And my brush is like a ballerina. Here she goes. She's dancing over the white crayon, and you can see that where I painted with where I drew with my white crayon, it's not getting paint on it. All right, I think I'm going to add a little bit of this other color, blue, to my sky. It's a beautiful blue day during winter in my picture. All right, now I'm going to make my mountains. So sometimes in the winter, mountains can be brown, sometimes they can be green, sometimes they can be white, but I'm going to make mine purple because brown is a warm color and we're only using cold colors today. So sometimes you can use your imagination and be like an artist who doesn't always do things the exact same color. All right. I'm going to go back in because I've decided that I want my snowballs to be white too. Oh, you can see I have a little bit of black on my crayon, but that's okay. I'm not going to worry about it. My snowballs are going to be white. Okay, I'm going to keep painting my snow a pretty purple. Oh, but I need more water. It's getting really dark. There we go. You can see that my black lines, because I used my crayon, are also showing up. Need some more water in my paint. All right, I'm going to keep painting and I'll come back. Okay, so now that I have my cold color winter landscape painted and I've let it dry, I'm going to add the finishing touch, which is a snowman. You're going to cut your snowman out of paper. Remember, it's not just drawn on here, it's cut out of paper. What are some other things that I could add to my snowman to make it more interesting? I think I'm going to put my snowman right there. What are some things I could add to my snowman to make it more interesting? It's missing some arms. Maybe I could add a hat or a scarf. So when you make your winter landscape, you're using only cool colors and you have a snowman. I'm excited to see it.